the equation that relates her earnings and the ton of paper that she delivers. So her earnings can be calculated by taking the cost per each ton of paper, which is $70.50 per ton, and then they have to subtract $8 because she has to pay for the gas. In this question, we're told that she had $23.90 earnings on her first trip. So where would I replace that information? We're told that her earnings for the first trip is $23.90. So can I plug that into my equation? Replacing E with this information because we're told that her earnings are $23.90. So $23.90 is equal to 7250p minus 8. We have one unknown variable now. We have P. P represents the tons of paper. Can I solve for P? Our goal here is to figure out what this P is equal to. At the end of this, I want to know what P equals, okay? So we have two sides to our equation. We have our left side and our right side. On the left side, we have just one term. It's just a number, right? There's no variable. On the right side, we have a variable term, this, and we have a constant term, which is just a number by itself. We need to get rid of this -8, right? Because we want to have P by itself. So what's the opposite of -8? How do you get rid of -8? What's the opposite operation of subtract 8? Add 8. What's -8 plus 8? 0. That's how I get rid of it. But if whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So because we added 8 on the right side, what do I have to do on the left side? Add 8. Okay, so what's 23.90 plus 8? 31.90 equals 72.50p. Okay, so on the right side is where our variable is. 72.50 multiplied by something. Again, we need to do the opposite operation. What's the opposite of multiplication? So if I divide this by 7250, that will cancel out. What do I have to do to the left side? Divide by 7250, and I'm just left with my P on the right side, which is my goal. What's 3190 divided by 7250? 0.44. So that means that if she earned $23.90, she delivered 0.44 tons of paper. Okay?
Made with Doodlecast Pro.